Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a huge Shein unboxing for you, and I guess you could say this is sort of a Shein fall haul. I'm not going to procrastinate any longer. Let's get into the video. Okay, here is the bag. I literally just went downstairs and picked up my package, and it came in a bag. I usually open up my stuff with a screwdriver. Just like that. And open it up. I'm so excited because I got some nice stuff. I wanted let me just show you. Just taking out some of these sweaters and sweater dresses. And shipping did not take that long, guys. Alright, I think I'm going to take everything out first. And then I'll come right back. Okay, I took everything out. I'm so excited. Okay, so I can see this is one of them. You know what? Hold on. Let me take my thumbnail pic and I'll be right back. Okay, got my thumbnail pic. Because if I would have took them out the bags, then I wouldn't have the bags to take the pictures. You get the point. Okay, let's get to the haul. Okay, so first up is this sweater dress. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try this on, and I'll do a separate try on haul video. So first of all, this is a sweater dress, and the texture is really thick. So it's going to be really warm for the winter. And as you can see, it's ribbed at the top. It's a turtleneck. And look at the detail on the arms. The arms are like flared out at the top. And then they cinch in at the bottom. And then look at the detail on the bottom of the dress. It's like a crisscross on the bottom to match the sleeves. I love this, and you know why I love this most? Because this is a neutral color. If you guys have been watching me, you know that I'm, switching up my style a bit, making it a little more sophisticated and grown. If you hear noise outside, guys, I live in New York City, so you know what it is. But yeah, so I'm trying to stick with more neutral tones, and then I'll spice things up like with my bag and shoes, or being that winter and fall is coming, fall and winter, I can have like a neutral colored outfit on and then spice it up with a scarf or hair accessories or whatever like that. And I think I've been doing that, experimenting with that during the summertime, and it is working for me. So I have to make a conscious effort not to get like crazy patterns. Because you guys know me. You guys know me who know me, who watch. So this is the first one. I really love it, and I know I can pair this up with so many different things, but I could definitely see, like, I could wear this with like some boots, like tall riding boots. I could wear this with so many things, and it's warm, it's stylish, and it's cute, and that's exactly what I'm going for the winter. And I wanted to get more dresses because for me, it's just easier to wear dresses. Like, I don't have to think about it. And if you're a person who in your wardrobe, like, you wanna like have an effortless look, or you don't wanna have to go through figuring out what goes with what and dresses are the way to go, because think about it. You're covered from head to toe, like literally. So all you really have to think about is your shoes and your bags to match, and you're good to go. So that's a good, option for people who don't know what to wear. Dresses are it. Summer, winter, and fall. And if you're a female too, wear some dresses, guys, because it's all about femininity and being pretty and dainty. Well, at least that's for me. Everybody's not the same, so do what works for you. Okay, so next up, I already know. Now, I was just talking about neutral tones and stuff like that, but I gotta have a little color in my wardrobe. So this definitely caught my eye. I'm laughing because I was like, I'm not gonna get all this color and look. So guys, I still tend to go towards color, but you know what I'm gonna do when I wear this? Everything else is gonna be a neutral tone, so that the sweater will be the thing that pops out in the entire outfit. But I love this. This has lots and lots of color in it, the yellow, the blue, the orange. And also why I chose this, because I usually wear a lot of pink. As you see, I'm a pink girl. This is like a nice little dusty pink. I like hot pink. I like all shades of pink. So I'm trying to switch up my colors. I'm not very much into blue or orange or even yellow for that matter, but I decided to give this a try, and this is definitely gonna pop out. Like, you can wear this with like a pair of jeans or a pair of slacks with, you know, some shoes, some flat shoes. I can't wait to see what I can come up with, how I style this, but this is definitely gonna be the star of the show, like when I do style it. Everything else will be neutral, and this will be the thing that pops out. So yes, I'm gonna do a try on haul for you guys, and follow me on Instagram because that's where I try on and showcase all of my outfits, my hair accessories, and just everything. Like, I'm an influencer, so I showcase things on Kharyzma For You Style on Instagram. So please subscribe, check it out, follow me on Instagram. Okay, so next up, okay, I got some nice sweaters, guys. I'm glad I picked the smalls because I was gonna choose medium, but I don't know, the way it was fitting the models online, I could tell that the small, if it fit them and they're really tall and slim, and I'm only 5'3", but I'm curvy, but I'm still petite. I can tell by the way it fit the model, like if it's hanging off of them, then I know that I can get the small, because it says like in the description what size the model is wearing, what size she is. So I could tell by how it fits the model. And this is a big small, so they're really oversizing their things. So I'm glad I got a small. This is gonna be nice. And again, this is not a solid color, but it's gonna be, I can easily wear this with black, and this will be the thing that pops out. So I really, really like this. This looks stylish and sophisticated. Kind of reminds me of like the Chanel sweaters and everything. And look at the detail in the buttons. It's really, really good. Looks like tweed, but it's a soft material. I just feel like it's gonna be kind of too big. I wish it were smaller, but we'll see. We'll see. I'm so happy I got a small. Okay. Next up, another sweater dress. And this one was a long dress. Okay, good. This is it. So this one is a turtleneck, similar to the other dress, like with the ribbed style here, and then, but the sleeves don't flare out. And then it's just like really, really long. If you can see, it's like really, really long. I know you can't see everything, but it's long. I like it. And then it has a slit in the back, all the way on the bottom in the back. I think this is gonna look really, really nice. And it's a small and it's stretchy. Yeah, I'm glad I got all smalls. I would have been mad if I got mediums. And yeah, and it's pink, so, and it's a nice soft pink, so I know, oh, it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to style these outfits. It's gonna look so pretty. It's like a soft pink. So, and you guys know I definitely have bags and shoes to match this. So this one is, yes. Okay, next up, here's another solid color that I got. This one, I think it was a sweater from what I remember. I don't know what it, oh, I know what this is this is a sweater, but it's shaped funny. And I got a small because again, it was hanging off the model. This is perfect. Okay, so this is where the neck goes, right? Right here. And then these are the sleeves. I'll show you standing up. If you see the shape of it, it kind of comes out like a rectangle, and then this is the arm. Here it has like something on it. This is the arm. So it's supposed to hang off of you. This is an all black sweater. Is this the right way? Yeah, the tag is here. And yeah, it's a size small. And yeah, You can easily just wear this with a pair of jeans or a pair of leggings and some tall boots. So that's why I got this, because I felt like it was really versatile, and I rarely have black in my wardrobe. I hope I'm not. No, guys, because I have on some new leggings, and you know how sometimes the leggings bleed. I'm like, I hope it doesn't bleed on my duvet cover. So yeah, we'll see. So that's it for this. Okay. I literally ordered this like last week. Shein sent this right away. Okay, so this is another sweater dress. I got a lot. I didn't realize I got a lot of turtlenecks. This is a turtleneck, so I guess I'm gonna be warm for the winter. And stylish. This is so big though. Their smalls are huge. This, I don't think I ordered this. It looks different. Hold on. Because what I saw in the video, oh, okay, I see. So it's supposed to be like a sweater dress, and then it has like a long slit on the side. So you should be able to like wear it with leggings under, so that the slit on the side, when it opens, it's gonna show the leggings that you have underneath. So we'll see. This one, I don't know. It just looks a little bit different. Like, it looks so big. I know I got a small. I feel like they're probably just oversizing their clothes on purpose so people... Yeah, it says small, but these clothes are running so big. They're running so big. So I'm gonna try it on. I hope it fits. You guys know I sew, so I could probably take it in if I have to, but I don't want to have to do that. That's why sometimes I just buy clothes, because I don't want to make them all the time. Okay, so here is another. I don't remember. Okay, so some of these look cheap. Like this, I'm not gonna lie. The material in this to me looks really cheap. I don't even remember ordering this. Okay, this is supposed to be like a gray dress. Yeah, this one, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, the material is really lightweight and it feels cheap. Like, it's not thick and good quality, like it just feels cheap. It doesn't, and it has a weird smell to it. So some of the things are hit or miss. For the most part, like everything that I've bought from Shein before, I've liked. And I usually look at the comments, but some of the items that they post are new and they don't have a lot of comments, so I kind of just go by the picture. So yeah, this is kind of cheap. I don't know. And this is from overseas, so I'm not gonna send it back. So we'll see. I guess I have to make this one work. But it's supposed to be like a sweater dress, and then fitted toward the bottom and loose at the top, if you can see. And then the sleeves are like this. Yeah, I don't really like this. Like, I don't like to wear cheap looking kind of clothes. That is so not my style. Like, I don't mind paying a cheap price. Like, if I go to like a store like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Nordstrom Rack. I recently started going to Nordstrom Rack, which I love. I'm gonna definitely do a haul for you guys. Where they sell quality clothes for a fraction of the cost. I don't like wearing cheap stuff at all. So you saw my face when I saw this. I don't know. But moving on, put this aside because I don't like the smell of it. I feel like I have to wash it before I wear it. So, and this is my stuff that I bought with my own money. Not a paid thing. I bought an apron. This is cute though. This is cute. Like, Thanksgiving is coming up, so I definitely am gonna be cooking for Thanksgiving. So I thought this would be cute because I don't think I've ever had an apron before, and I was supposed to make an apron. I was supposed to do a sewing tutorial for you guys. Aww, it's cute. Let me stand up here so you can see. It is too cute. Look at that, and it has the pockets, and it's polka dots, as you know, guys. I like one. This is cute though. I like the apron. It's really, really, really cute. And I think this was only like $3 or $4. So yeah, it's really, really cute. I love the apron. So yes, 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 and more yes. Okay, so the rest of the stuff I got was like, they have home goods and stuff, and then I got accessories. I got these earrings that look like emerald. It's supposed to look like a almost like a safety pin. They're tilted like in the package. Maybe I should take it out to show you, so you can see how it looks. Here it goes. I thought these were really cute. I'm pretty sure something that I have, well, this doesn't have green, but I'm sure something that I have has green in it, and it'll look really nice. And then I got a pair of heart studs. You can see right there, those are really, really nice. Those are the accessories that I got. And the rest I don't think I need to show you. This is like, you know, for your stove, you can cover up like the burners on the stove so that you don't have to keep cleaning it. Like when it gets dirty, you can remove this and then actually clean this. So I'm not gonna take this out to show you. I also got a can opener since I needed one and I saw it on there. I'm like, okay, I'm already ordering stuff for myself, so let me order stuff for the house. And this right here, if you can see the picture here, is for my computer, like when I do take Zoom classes or I have Zoom meetings, being that, you know, a lot of stuff we do now is online. This will be able to hold up my computer. So it says multi-position foldable notebook bracket. So you see it's a bracket right there that can hold up your laptop in whatever position you need it to be for your meetings or your classes or whatever it is that you do online. So I thought this was really, really convenient, and I think it was only like $3 or $4, so I snatched it up. So guys, don't sleep on Shein. They have some nice things. So far I like everything except for this. It seems really, really cheap. And then here's the tie for it. But I love everything that I got. So thank you guys for watching, and continue watching because I know you guys love my hauls. I have more hauls coming for you. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma For You Style, which is my style page. So you'll most likely see some of these outfits on my Instagram. And then follow my business, Kharyzma For You Fashion, on Instagram, and also go on my website, kharyzmaforyou.com, where I sell cosmetics, poppin' lip gloss, accessories, lots of other goodies. Check out my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/kharyzmaforyou, where I sell hair accessories, custom clothing, and much more. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.